Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्नेहा, आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है. So today I have something super exciting to share with you. I'll be diving into a 7-day hair journey where I'll be showing you how I use this amazing L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum in so many different ways. Of course इस सीरम के बारे में पहले मैंने अपने चैनल पे बात करी हुई है, बट कभी डिटेल में ये नहीं शो किया कि आप इसको अलग अलग तरीक़ों से कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. सो बी इट अ डे आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, स्पेशल नाइट आउट, कोई वेडिंग फंक्शन हो या अ रिलैक्सिंग डे एट होम, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट डिस्कवरिंग new styles and keeping your hair looking healthy and fabulous. And the XOL serum definitely comes in handy on all those occasions. So let's get started. Okay, so the first way I like to use this XOL serum is as a pre-wash treatment before my hair wash. I started my Monday by applying a generous amount of the XOL serum to my dry hair from the roots to the ends. Gently इस तरीके से मसाज कर लो and let it work its magic for about 30 minutes and उसके बाद आप normally अपने बाल wash कर सकते हो. This nourishing pre-wash treatment gives my hair an incredible boost of hydration and left it feeling super soft and shiny. And this is my go-to routine for all my hair wash days. अब क्योंकि Tuesday को hair wash day नहीं था, I had more time in hand to use a hair styling tool and straighten my hair. So before styling my hair, I take a small amount of the serum onto my palms and run it through my tresses, focusing on the ends, followed by styling them. This serum gives heat protection up to 240 degrees and gives 24 hours of extra shine and softness. So it was a date night on Wednesday and I decided I wanted to go for that neat, polished look for my hair. So to tame those pesky flyaways and achieve a sleek hairstyle, XOL serum comes in super handy. अपने बालों को स्टाइल करने के बाद I just take a pea-sized amount of the serum, rubbing it in between my fingertips and gently glide my hands over my hair, focusing on the areas where I see the most flyaways. And I love how it puts together my entire look in a minute. Thursday was a hair wash day for me since my scalp starts getting oilier by day 3 and I like maintaining that smooth, gorgeous hair even post my hair wash. So अपने बालों को wash करने के बाद I gently towel dry my hair while it's still damp. I take a few drops of the XOL serum and evenly distribute it from the mid-lengths to the ends. This incredible serum effortlessly tames down frizz without making them feel weighed down or greasy. Fridays are usually grocery days for me, so I prep my kitchen and pantry for the weekend and I have to step out in the sun now. I make sure to shield my hair from UV rays, humidity and pollution. So मैं लेती हूँ बहुत ही थोड़ा सा amount XOL serum का and evenly distribute it through my hair. What it does is, it not only keeps my hair safe from environmental damage, but also maintains its natural shine even in such hot weather. The weekend is finally here and it's time for a little self-care. So as I run my comb through my hair, I can't help but be amazed by the incredible benefits of the XOL serum. एक बहुत ही non-sticky formula है that glides smoothly through my hair. I can feel my hair becoming 30% stronger. Sunday nights are meant for pampering and relaxation. After shampooing my hair, I take my self-care routine to the next level with the XOL serum. I apply it generously to my towel-dried hair, making sure to cover every strand from root to tip. And उसके बाद इस तरीके से मैं एक bonnet पहन लेती हूँ to lock in the serum's goodness and let it work its magic overnight. Wash it off the next morning and I love how amazing my hair looks the next morning. So आपने देखा ही how the XOL serum transforms my hair throughout the week. I cannot recommend it enough. This is priced at rupees 649 and trust me, it is worth every penny. इसके इतने सारे uses हैं. You will definitely make the most out of this serum. So product को खरीदने का लिंक मैं नीचे description box में आपके लिए ज़रूर डाल दूँगी. Highly recommend that you go grab your own bottle, try it out to help smoothen out frizzy hair and get manageable hair from unruly hair strands. इसका एक 30 ml travel size variant भी आता है which is perfect for every time I have to travel. So ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. Bye bye.